Hi everybody and welcome along to this really exciting unboxing video. Now, just after Christmas, I think, when everybody was watching YouTube non-stop, mind you that hasn't changed now, we've got lockdown, I was watching a video by Julie at BeeBeeCraft Designs, and also I follow Tanya at Tatty Treasures, and both of them are involved in a YouTube program by a company called BeeBeeCraft. Now, they're an American company, and I must say they hadn't come into my radar before that. But when they mentioned them, I thought I'd go and have a look. And they have what they call a YouTube program. It's open to anybody who's got a YouTube channel and has more than 100 subscribers. So, it's not too taxing to get there. And you literally apply to be on the program. And I guess they say yay or nay, and in my case they said yay. And you go and select some things from their store that you would like and you would find useful in your journaling, and you send it off to them. And honestly, it's only been, I don't think it's even been 2 weeks, and this has appeared. And when it came, I opened it because I couldn't believe it could be BeeBeeCraft. So once I opened it, I realised it was. So let's have a look at what I selected. They have loads of metalwork and beads and findings and all sorts of things. I mean, it took me days to select what I actually wanted. So it all came really nicely parcelled up in this bubble wrap, and then again in a lovely plastic bag, which I shall reuse. So here are the goodies. Let's get them all out, then we'll go through them one by one. So if you have a YouTube channel and you have more than 100 subscribers, why don't you consider joining the YouTube program? Well worth it. Right, so this is the biggest, so let's have a look at this first. Comes in its own little sealed bag, which is fantastic. And it's sealed up again, goodness me. They're so good at, Julie said they were good at packaging things, but they really are. Carol at Oak House Journals, she's part of the programme as well. Let's just get rid of that. So here we have, aren't these beautiful? Look at those. They are flat back and they're not very fat. You'd have no problem fitting those into your journal. And they would make fabulous centres for flowers, or just the top part of a cluster. They're absolutely gorgeous. Look. Really, really nice. And there's loads of them. There's 10 yards of them, actually. So they will keep it going for a long time. I do like things like this. I love anything floral. And I could see that I would be adding this to so many journal pages, and they're so flat on the back, and they are all connected with this thread, so you could put quite a long stretch of it on somewhere, pocket top or something. Brilliant. I'm so pleased with it. And it costs £8.55 in UK money, or $11.67. The thing with BeeBeeCrafts is they have quite a low threshold for free postage. I think it's $25 wherever you are in the world. And trust me, you won't have a problem getting up to $25. So that's one of the things. Let's have a look at this. Oh, great. I know what this is. This is, and I think it's boxed. Let's get it out of the cardboard. Oh, yes, look, it's boxed. It is a box of, I forgot what you call them, rings, jump rings. Hello. Yeah, and they're in 4 colours, as you can see. and 3 different sizes per colour. So I was down literally to my last 4 jump rings. So these could not have come at a better time. You know, like I say, there's 3 sizes in each one and 4 colours. So, and then you get this, and that's worthy of showing you separately at some stage what that is. It's a way to open the jump rings and close them again by just using 1 pair of pliers. So it's a much easier way of opening and closing them. But isn't that fabulous? But I think they're still wrapped in something else. Let's see if I can get that off and we can have a look. Oh yeah, there we are. So let's open these ones. I'm terrified they're going to go flying everywhere. I'm so afraid to open them. Maybe you open them. Ah, you open them the other way. What a ninny. There, easy peasy, easy as that. Look, I can open them all. I was trying to open them from the bottom. So yeah, they're the large ones in gold. Oh, they're fabulous. Just what I needed. Honestly, it's the sort of thing that you never think is very exciting until you haven't got any. And then you realise how much you need jump rings. So that comes with that little tool that is helpful in getting them opened and closed. Now then, what have we got? Oh, I don't know which to open first. Let's open this one. The jump rings, let me tell you, were £7.55 or $10.31. And, I mean, how many is there in there? Loads. There's loads. Oh, I love the way everything comes in boxes. It's so blinking convenient. So here's this lovely little plastic box, and inside, in a bag, all safe, are all these book corners. Look at these. Fabulous. They just add that finishing touch to a journal. Let's see, they're sort of engraved. And in here there are 150. So that's lots of journals, isn't it? But they'll happily live in there until they're needed. Marvellous. Really like those. And they were £7.40 in the UK or $10.10 in the States. Really, really good. And the last thing that I ordered is this. So let's have a look at this. Everything is packaged to the nth degree. It's fabulous. Oh, and this comes in a little box as well. Oh, look at that. I love these little boxes that they come in. They make keeping them and retaining them in one place so much easier. Am I doing this upside down now? So these are all in a bag as well. And there we have them. Oh, look. These are brilliant. These are keys. And they're silver coloured. And there's lots of different designs. I don't know how many different designs there are, to be honest. But it looks like there's quite a few. Is that the same as that? Same as that. So I like the idea. Oh, that's a different one. That's a nice one. I like the idea of having these on the front of a journal. It's just kind of like, you know, I don't know, it's the same as that, isn't it? You know, that you need a key to open it. I quite like that. That's a nice little one there. That's really lovely. That would go inside a journal or as a dangle off a paper clip or something on the side. I'm sure that I haven't actually gone through all the different designs. That's a really nice little one as well. I'm sure if I went through these I could find loads more. That's a different one again. Oh my goodness, there's so many. In actual fact, there are 60 of them, and they cost £4.54. £4.54 for all these, or $6.20 in the States. They're fabulous. I'm going to have the time of my life playing with these, especially now I've got the jump rings to go with them. So that's my haul from BB King. The journal corners, the jump rings, the keys, and this fabulous flatback rose trim. So I'm going to be busy for a while using these in various ways and seeing what I think of them. And as I make the videos, I shall post them so you can see exactly what I'm doing with them and what you can do with them in your journals. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.